Hello traders, welcome to the channel. So today I want to talk to you about going long in this uncertain market. Is there opportunity to go long when the market is still trying to find the bottom? This is for educational purpose only. This is not any financial advice. So first off, you already noticed on the market on the SPY that is still going down, trying to find the bottom. It seemed to have find some support near this 565 area for today. We don't know what the price is gonna do after, so we don't know if this is the bottom yet. But if you come to the weekly, it certainly has breakdown the long trend uptrend trend line. So it's close, very close to the 50 MA on the weekly. Um, so the if you look at the healthcare sector, I pulled up the XLV. This is the healthcare ETF. You can see that this one is definitely on a short-term uptrend. So it's stronger than the market in the short term, and it looks like that right now it wants to go up higher. Because if we draw a trend line like this, you can see that it broke through the downtrend line, and then kept going back up and found resistance near the 200 MA area and consolidated a little bit, and then eventually decided to come back down, but it came back down to the trend. And right now, since while the market is going down, it's going back up. So if we take this trade, the stop loss is very close. It's very tight. It's about 1.5%. Maybe if you want to come down a little more, maybe 2%. But then the reward is, if we come to the weekly on this trade, on this chart, you can see that if we zoom out, this recent high here, the 160 area, is the all-time high. So if we look at the weekly chart on the XLV, it's nothing but up. That's all it has done in the past 10, 20 years. It had consolidating areas, pullback, but if you look at the 200, if you trade it based on 200, it has always been up. It had never dipped below, well, I should say never. It didn't live under the 200 MA, maybe for a couple weeks there. But then it found support there, found support near there, and then now it's going back up. So it could, if it take, if it goes up to this high here, that high here is about 3%, but then it could, if it goes to tackle the all-time high, it's 7%. If you're trading stock, that may not sound like a lot, but if you're trading options, that could be a huge win. If you don't like ETFs, there are also some stocks under this sector that's looking very good. The first one is wrong. GILD. This one, you can see that it's going straight up. So maybe this is not the best time to get in on this stock. If you look at the weekly, it's even more straight up. But this is a strong stock. So maybe the best thing to do is put this on your watch list if it's not already there, and then just wait for it to consolidate, come back to trend a little bit, and then get into the trade. Or we can draw the trend line here, but that's too steep. So maybe when they come close, so right now it's way above the 50 MA. Maybe after it consolidated a little bit, for the 50 to catch back up, that's when we can get back into this stock. Another one is AZN. AZN, I have a chart drawing here. AZN, as you can see, is on the uptrend, short-term uptrend. After it break up through this downtrend line, it formed a double bottom, triple bottom, but eventually it went back up from this uptrend. So, and it's very close to the trend line, and then now it's consolidating with very tight small candles. This trade can be a very low risk trade as well. If you get in here, maybe put the stop loss below that green candle several days ago, about 1%, 1.5%, and then the potential, the target, first target is maybe here at about 79.90, and then maybe here 81.75, and then eventually to this two red candle top at about 84, and then if it can take over that, then maybe fill this gap at 85.15. That's AZN. Another one you can look at is BAX Baxter International. Bax International is also on a short-term uptrend. It gapped up on earning and it kept on going, passing the 200 MA on the daily, and then it came back, found support near the 200 MA, consolidated very tight small candles, and then today it's going back up. So maybe you can get in today, or you can wait for it to pull back to trend and then get back in. So this should be another one that has a small stop loss, but has potential to go up. Another one is BIIB. BIIB, this one is a little different. If you look at the weekly, it was being beat up pretty badly. It came down from 320 to 130-ish. So it dropped a whole lot. Um, but then recently, it formed this short-term uptrend. A couple days ago, maybe yesterday or 2 days, 3 days ago, I tried to break through the 50 MA on the daily. It didn't make it, but then yesterday it went back. It went closed above the 50, and now it's going up again. So this one, if you want for it to pull back a little bit back to trend, you can, and then wait for a better entry. That one, if you get in today, the stop loss is about it's about 4%. But then the target is to take out this 200, get to this 200 area. That's about 19%. So that's another very nice risk reward ratio for this stock. So those are some ideas for you to think about. Hope you find some value in this video. I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.